Hello everyone. Right now we're gonna have a tech video. So I guess a few months back my RAM sticks were damaged. Yeah, this one. This one. It has another one, but both of them were destroyed, or both of them got wrecked the same time, almost the same time, within the same day. So I previously had 3 RAM sticks of 8 gig each, so I have 24 gigs of RAM. But now I only have the original one, the XPG ADATA 8 gig. Okay, that's the first one. So the Trident Z kit that I bought later were the ones that were destroyed, or I mean they broke. That's it. So right now we have a new one. This is a 32 gig kit, which means 2 sticks with 16 gig each. So let's open it. By the way, this is bought from PC Corner. Okay? From PC Corner in Glorieta, which is 7,500 pesos, or about 110 or 111 US dollars. But anyway, this is it. I was really happy because my PC is originally white. The case is white, so when they brought this to me, I was really satisfied with it. So still sealed. This is the T-Force Delta DDR4 with 3600 megahertz, 16 gig each. Okay, but I think the maximum of the board B460 is 2933 or something around that area. But nowadays you cannot buy anything. It is very rare to find any available kit with 3,000 or less MHz. So this is it. This is the content. You have the T-Force sticker, which is really good. So this is how you do it. Okay, make sure that the PC, the unit, is disconnected from any power source, and we can use it, or we can set the items. Okay, we have to avoid touching the contact points at the bottom. Okay, so as much as possible, even if your hands are clean, it's a little bit tough to get it out. Looks really nice. I'm really satisfied with it. See, it's really good. Let's get the other one. There we go. We have the two. So to do it, we have to open this first. Open it here. Lift it up. Now it is exposed. So here we have a closer look. These are the RAM slots. I know it's in the wrong position. If you only have one, what I know is, I don't know if I'm correct, is you have to choose the farthest one. Okay, but since we have a dual kit, the farthest. We start from the farthest and we alternate a space. So it should be here and here. So let's remove this first. To remove that, all you have to do is push down on the levers here, on the left and the right. This one and that one, before you can pull it out. Okay, so this is the original ram stick, the only ram that I have from 4 years ago. So it's still alive. So right now we have to put in our new ram sticks. The first one on the farthest, we have to check. There is a missing groove there, and you can check if it's going to fit, because you can only push it one way. So this is the wrong way, right? Because you can see the notch here, so we have to reverse it. Okay, like this. Before you can insert it, make sure that these levers are open. Okay, they will snap later when you push to secure the stick. So if you push there and there, okay, there. So we already have one, and we have to set the next one here. Check for the groove or the notch. See, this is the wrong way. This is the missing one, and there's the groove there. So we turn it around and we will insert. It's a little bit tricky because the space is really small. Yo, there we go. One click and another one. There we go. And for the remaining ram that we have to insert it somewhere. So I'll just choose the middle. Okay, so we have to open this. And check the notch. It's reverse. Check it again. It's now correct. Let me see. It's a little difficult because of the design. There we go. We have to push it out. There's the click. There's the other click. And now we're set. Let's see if it will start up. I'm scared. It's loading. It's loading. It's lighting up. See that? Those are the two. These are the new ones, and this is the old one. Yo, I've run into some trouble earlier, so now you've seen that I have removed the XPG, the old one. It's not working together with the two new ram sticks. I don't know why, but when I removed it, was able to start. Okay, so this is the BIOS or the UEFI. We have here the two new DDR4, so it's working. Okay, so let's load the Windows. It's working. Earlier, together with the old RAM stick, it wasn't loading. It's just a black screen and the PC just turns off and tries to turn on again. Okay, so that's it. To check, right click here and go to Task Manager, and then you can go to Performance, and then you can check. It's 31.9. This one, 31.9 gigabytes. It's just using 13%. Okay, so it's good. So I think that's it. That's the only way we can check it, by the hardware monitor. And here, so it says 32,768 megabytes of RAM, or 32 gig. So that's it. We're done. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and support the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. See you in other videos. Goodbye.